Oh, thinking out loud. I can have any nigga right now. I ain't being cocky, nigga. I'm just being me. I ain't like them that you see on TV. Man, this is 22 inches made of gold.
What's up, everyone? It's the streamer Simone here, and I am back with a hair video. Finally, it's time for me to tuck my hair away. I've had it out for way too long. Now, I braided my hair up already. I'm just going to show you. It's not perfect. The parting is not perfect, but I just braided it up so that it'll be easy to tuck away. Behind me is this beautiful wig that I got from a company called Premier Lace Wigs. This is 22 inches of gold. Yes, that was me in the intro. It's 22 inches Yaki Remy Indian straight. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, y'all. 6-inch deep parting. As you can see, I'm not going to be doing any type of customization to this hairline. I'm just going to see how realistic it's going to look. It also comes with a removable elastic band, so you have the option of using it or not. It comes with an extra elastic band if you lose that one, and it also has 5 combs that you can use. I'm going to leave the link to this beautiful wig down in the description box below. I have a discount code for you guys, a streamer. You get $10 off. This is my first 360 wig ever. This is like a first impression, the first time. I'm gonna try it on straight out of the box. All right. I'm literally hanging up the wig like it's closed. This is first impressions, y'all. I'm gonna use the elastic band, and it is an adjustable elastic band. Ooh, okay. I just put it on and it's looking good already. We gonna see about this hairline though. It's pre-plucked for you. Let's check for the deep parting. Whoa, that is some deep parting, y'all. That's deep parting. But I definitely win as far as this deep parting goes, and it's looking good already. Like 1,000,001 videos on YouTube customizing the wigs, and I need to go watch one to be real with y'all, because your girl ain't that great at customizing, you know, frontals or anything like that. I wanted to basically show you guys the hair and how great and luscious this hair is. It is in the color 1B. It is a Yaki Remy Indian straight. I'm not gonna finna act like I'm gonna go and bleach the knots, because I'm really not. I'm going to use some foundation powder and just put it all in. And this is a little shortcut. Like, nobody gonna be all up in my head. I'll be real with y'all. It's gonna not look wiggy, so I'm gonna put it all over. Okay, so I got it on a mannequin head, and I'm going to cut the lace off. And I'm not doing this on my head because, like I said, this is like my first time doing this, and I'm not really certain how that's gonna turn out. I don't want to cut my own hair. I'm just gonna cut it off on here like I do with my lace fronts, and then I'll deal with it on my head and any finished touches. All the lace is off, even in the back, sides. It's looking good. This pre-plucked hairline is pretty nice. Got the wig on my head, and I didn't even do anything, and I'm already digging it. Like, look, I've watched 1,000,001 YouTube videos on this lace thing, and there's so many different methods, but I feel like the easiest one is the whole got to be glued thing, so that's what I'm gonna be trying today. All right, so it's sitting on my head right now, and I'm about to apply some got to be glue. Listen, I've watched 1,000,001 videos, and there's like 1,000,000 freaking ways to do it, and like I said, it's my first time, so I'm just gonna be using the yellow one, Putiton. Section by section though, because I don't really know what I'm doing completely. To be honest, I really don't know what I'm doing. So we just gonna pray for the best, y'all. Yeah, right there, right there. blow dryer. I've showed this in my straightening my boyfriend's hair video. I'll link this blow dryer and everything else in this video down below if you're interested. I'm gonna put it on the cool setting on low. Seems a little tacky now, so I'm just gonna pull that section down on it. I'm gonna use my tail comb and just push in. Please don't come for me. I don't even really know what the heck I'm doing. I just put a little swoop. I ain't messing with the baby hair game because I don't know how to finesse it yet. Thumbs up if you think I should get on the frontal bandwagon and start. I told you guys about this and reviewed it in the Straighten My Boyfriend Hair video. It's the Infinity Pro. This flat iron is everything. I will link it down below as well. Make it more sleeker. Just run it through because it is a Yaki straight texture, so it comes very sleek already. But because I was playing up in the hair, I want to make it, you know, Leah. Yo, this hair is long. The hair longer than me. But look how nice this flat iron is, like, yo. But anywho, I think I did alright. Now imagine if I really went in and bleached the knots. I'm gonna get some hairspray for these flyaways. But went in and bleached the knots and really knew how to do the baby hairs, but like, look, I mean, I just did a little swoop thing. Just a little swoop thing, because I ain't there yet, y'all. I'll be there soon, though. But I love that you can put this hair up in a pony. This hair is everything. Like, it feels so good. It looks thick. I was just on the FaceTime with my boyfriend. He was like, whoa, you straighten your hair? I was like, nah, bro. There's a word. He was like, oh, you done got me. I was like, oh. He was like, you like? I was like, you like it? He was like, yeah. I'm like, I did an okay job. You know, I ain't there yet. He was like, nah, look at it. I'm like, okay then. I could go outside there. I'm just gonna take some Sebastian Professional Shaper Plus and spray the top. I like it. It's just that I'm not on the frontal wagon just yet. Not just yet, but I will be getting there. Past my hips, actually. But yeah, it's really long and beautiful. 22 inches. I'm 5'2", so it's pretty long on me. I'm really feeling this. Don't forget to check the description box. I will definitely be back trying out frontals and all of that for you very soon because I'm starting today. And wig was very easy to manipulate and deal with, and the texture is so beautiful. It's banging. So thank you so much for watching today. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, turn on the notification bell. See you in my next upload. Bye.